Did you know there is an animal with superpowers? This animal is none other than the platypus. The platypus has a very distinctive appearance. It has a duck-like bill, webbed feet, a beaver-like tail, and dense, waterproof fur. This unique combination of features makes it look like it was stitched together from several different animals. The platypus can only be found in Australia. In fact, 80% of the species found in Australia are unique to Australia. The platypus is one of the only two mammals that lay eggs, called monotremes. The only other monotreme species are echidnas. This egg-laying ability is believed to be an evolutionary leftover from its reptilian ancestors. When it is time, the mother digs a special burrow in which she will deposit the eggs later. The eggs are hatched usually after 10 days. The youngs are called puggles. The puggles stay in the burrow for up to 4 months before they are ready to venture into the wild themselves. Since they are mammals, like the rest of us, they feed their youngs via lactation, but the platypuses do not have teats. The milk is secreted through specialized mammary gland ducts, and the puggles lap it up directly from their mother's abdomen. They are also one of the very few mammals that are venomous. Male platypuses have spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a very painful venom, even though the venom is strong enough to kill a small animal, such as dogs or fish. It is not lethal to humans, but it can cause nausea, vomiting, and excruciating pain that cannot be relieved by normal painkillers. Despite their cute and cuddly appearance, they are very efficient hunters. While hunting underwater, the platypus closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils, protecting them from the aquatic environment. With all its sensory organs closed, the platypus relies entirely on its bill to hunt. This is because their bills are packed with approximately 40,000 to 70,000 electroreceptors and mechanoreceptors. Their specialized bills allow them to detect even the tiniest electrical signals of their prey in the water. And they glow. This cute fella glows under UV light. This phenomenon, known as biofluorescence, is the ability of an organism to absorb light, especially UV light, and re-emit it as a different color. In the case of the platypus, its fur absorbs UV light and emits a blue-green glow. Unfortunately, they are now classified as a near-endangered species. Thought they are not in immediate danger, conservation efforts are needed to protect and preserve this God's most bizarre creation. Platypus have no true stomach. No stomach means no storage space for food. Platypuses need to eat about 30% of its own body weight each day just to survive. They have to eat constantly. The tail. The tail is where they store their fat, since they do not have a true stomach. A fat tail means a healthy platypus. The female uses its tail to store the eggs. During the incubation period, the female curls up the tail and presses it against her abdomen, where she safely stores her eggs. Despite being a venomous mammal, platypuses are shy and timid.